Everyone, today we will discuss the international boundaries and countries' capital. The first one is Maginot Line, which is between the Germany and France. Maginot Line is between the Germany and France. Germany's capital is Berlin and France's capital is Paris. The second one is McMahon Line, which is between the India and China and established in 1914 during the First World War and established by Henry McMahon. That is why it is called the MC Mahon Line, established between the India and China in 1914. The third one is Red Cliff Line, which is established between India and Pakistan after the 15 August 1947, after our independence from Britishers on 17 August 1947. It is established in 17 August 1947, Red Cliff Line between India and Pakistan. The fourth one is 49th Parallel Line, which is established between USA and Canada. In June 15, 1846, USA's capital is Washington and Canada's capital is Ottawa. So 49 parallel line is established between USA and Canada on 15th June 1846. And the fifth one is Mannerheim line, which is established between Russia and Finland. Russia's capital is Moscow and Finland's capital is Helsinki. What is Helsinki? And the sixth one is very important one, 38 parallel line between North Korea and South Korea, established in 1945 at the end of the Second World War. In 1945, North Korea's capital is Seoul and North Korea's capital is Pyongyang and South Korea capital is Seoul. 38 parallel is between the North Korea and South Korea. The seventh one is Durand Line, which is between the Pakistan and Afghanistan and established in 1893. The Durand Line is between the Pakistan and Afghanistan, established in 1893. The eighth one is Hindenburg Line, which is established between Germany and Poland in 1917. So Hindenburg Line is established between Germany and Poland in 1917. We will recap one by one. Maginot Line is established between Germany and France. McMahon Line is established between India and China in 1914. Red Cliff Line is between India and Pakistan and established in 17 August 1947. And fourth one is 49 parallel line, established in USA and Canada at June 1846. Fifth one is Mannerheim Line, which is established in Russia and Finland. Sixth one is 38 parallel line between North Korea and South Korea. Seventh one is Durand Line between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Eighth one is Hindenburg Line, which is established between Germany and Poland in 1917. Thank you. Thank you so much.